Hello, today I'm in Ford Edge. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel, thanks to which we can navigate through speedometer display. Then we've got the panel, thanks to which we can enable or disable cruise control and manage it. Right here we've got the panel, thanks to which we can increase or decrease volume, mute the radio, activate assistant, answer and calls and switch tracks, and this panel allows us to change radio stations and manage it. Of course, if you press right here you will use horn. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.